Okay, so Tom doing your math here. So we're going to take a look at Euclid's Book 1, Proposition 3. Given two unequal straight lines, to cut off from the greater a straight line equal to the less. So we're going to look at this segment F, and we're going to try and cut off from the line that was BC, the segment that's B1 to, give it a name, D. That is going to be equal to this original F, which we moved down here to be F1. So let's get started. It's going to be a really short construction. It's just to be used in the next proposition. But we got to stick to the book and straight through the elements. Alright, so I have my segment F. I just put another one over here so we can leave it up there for looks and stuff. So this is going to be F1, and its points are going to have names that have these little subscripts to go along with it. And from here, we just need to lop off a segment of a greater size equal to this A1, B1. So we're just going to put something over here. Let's figure out what its name is. It's going to be C. And now from here, this is pretty straightforward. We're just going to go over to A1, mark that off, take that segment, or excuse me, point, put a point there. We're going to name that point. It's going to be D. B1D is going to be equal to B1A1 because they're both going to be radius of the same circle. So this is just going to be a tool that we use in the future for proving that side angle side congruence is actually congruent.